Adams.
Here.
Adamley.
Here.
Adamowski. Adamson. Adler.
Here.
Anderson. Anderson.
Here.
Bueller. 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 Bueller.
He's sick. My best friend's sister's boyfriend's brother's girlfriend heard from this guy who knows his kid is going with the girl who saw Ferris pass out at 31 Flavors last night. I guess it's pretty serious.
Thank you, Simone.
No problem whatsoever.
Fry.
Hola clase! Bienvenido a la clase de español. Me llamo Señor Altón. If you're watching this, you are in my Spanish class today. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be working with the verb estar.
Okay, kid. Give it to me.
Alright, I'll give it to you. Now, here's the deal. We've already learned about ser in a previous video. Ser talks about the permanent, right? Yo soy guapo. I am handsome. I am always handsome, right? It's permanent. It does not change day to day. Estar is talking about the conditional, how you're feeling, your state of being. Yo estoy bien. I am good. Am I always good? No, I'm good at the moment. So yo estoy bien is just talking about the here and the now. All right. That being said, both these verbs, ser and estar, they both mean to be.
To be or not to be.
All right, we could use the verb estar with words that describe emotions such as cansado, contento, deprimido, emocionado, enojado, nervioso, ocupado, tranquilo y triste.
What? I didn't understand a one word you said. Ron, are you okay? Ron. Ron, where are you?
I'm in a glass case of emotion!
All right, are you all ready to talk about your feelings? Okay, if you are, let's go ahead and practice conjugating the verb estar. Yo estoy is that first one. You can see that it's irregular. So yo estoy means I am. And then tú estás, that one follows the normal AR verb conjugations. Tú estás, you are. Usted está. Okay, that also means you are. That is something that you would use with a person that you do not know well, or a person of authority, an older person, somebody that you would call sir or madam, right? And then if we continue on, we have él está, he is. Ella está, she is. Nosotros estamos, we are. Vosotros estáis, that's what's used in Spain. Ustedes están, and that's you all are. Vosotros estáis is also you all are. I'm sorry, I forgot to say that there a second ago. And then we have ellos están, they are. And ellas están, they are. That being said, now that we know the conjugations, we're going to go ahead and practice some of these. So stop, pause, rewind, go back, do what you need to do in order to get ready for this next part. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys some movie clips of famous people getting their emotions going, right? And you need to describe how they're feeling using the verb estar and some of those emotion words that we just talked about a few moments ago. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's start off here with my man, Cuba Goody Jr., awesome dude. funny, right? And he is going to be demonstrating some feelings. I want you to write down a sentence that he would say that would describe what he is feeling at that moment. Got it? All right. And so pause it if you need to, write it down, and then we'll check it after. All right. Perfect. Cool.
But I guess my favorite episode, if I had to pick a favorite, would be episode 30.
Ladies, Lucy, stay behind the line, please.
Remember that one where Mickey went to
No, I don't remember that one. It sounds like a masterpiece.
Oh, Cuba, you're so funny. All right. If you said, yo, estoy enojado, I am angry, then you are correct. That's exactly what Cuba Gooding Jr. would have said if he described his feelings in Spanish. I am angry. Yo estoy enojado. All right, let's look at this next clip. This is Mr. Bean. Go ahead and describe what he would be feeling. You're not putting yourself in his shoes this time. You're describing he. You're using él. All right, describe his feelings in Spanish. Go. Alright, if you described Mr. Bean as él está cansado, he is tired, then you are right! Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. We're going to go ahead and get to this next clip. This is from The Office. I'm not sure the name of the guy that's in The Office that's in this scene. I've never seen the show. I prefer recreational office comedies. And so, anyways, go ahead and describe this person using estar. Oh, you're back. All right, perfect. So, if you said él está ocupado, he is occupied, he is busy, you are correct. You did your job. You did it right. Okay, give yourself a good round of applause because you are awesome. All right, keep on practicing the Spanish. We're gonna go ahead and do one more video. This next one. Now we have a whole ship full of people. All right, so you need to describe what they feel like based on this clip. All right, go. Ellos están tristes. Alright, they are sad. Alright, if you got that down correct, then you did awesome. Give yourself a big pat on the back because you did great. Let's keep on practicing these Spanish verbs. Estar, an AR verb, very similar to all the other AR verbs that we've learned in these videos before. Memorize those, practice them, use the charts, say them out loud when you're getting ready to have dinner, right? Teach your parents these words, because the more you practice it, the easier it's going to be for you to learn Spanish and to be able to communicate your feelings. Hasta mañana, hasta luego.